5-Minute Crypto Script, Demystifying Digital Money. Hey everyone, have you heard words like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or NFT and thought, what are people talking about? Don't worry, today we'll explain cryptocurrency in simple words. First, what is cryptocurrency? It's digital money, just like dollars or rupees, but it only exists online. The big difference is, no bank or government controls it. It works on something called blockchain. So, what is blockchain? Think of it as a public digital notebook that keeps records of all transactions. It's open for everyone to see, stored on thousands of computers, and can't be changed once written. That makes it very transparent and secure. Here's how a crypto transaction works. If I send you 5 crypto coins, the message goes to many computers around the world. They check if the transaction is real. Once confirmed, it's added to a block and becomes part of the chain. Then the money moves from my wallet to yours. No bank needed. Now, why do people like crypto so much? 1. You control your own money. 2. It's very secure and hard to hack. 3. Anyone with internet can use it. No bank account required. But there are also risks. 1. Prices go up and down fast. It's very volatile. 2. There's no safety net. If you lose your password, your money is gone. 3. Scams are common. You must be careful. Here are some popular types of crypto. Bitcoin, BTC. The first and most famous one, like digital gold. Dash, Ethereum, ETH, a platform for smart contracts and NFTs. Altcoins. All other coins like Litecoin, Cardano, or Solana. In short, crypto is digital money on a blockchain. It's decentralized. No single person controls it. It has big potential, but also big risks. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more.